Preparation: servo motor, flange plate, reducer, O-ring, wave generator, limited plate, grease, hex key, torque wrench, thread locker, lint-free cloth. Installation guide. Grab a clean cloth and wipe down the flange, generator, servo motor, and gearbox. Make sure to remove all oil and grime. Fix the flange to the servo motor. All screws should be coated with thread glue to prevent loosening. Use a hex key to screw in the screw. Just tighten it. Install the O-ring into the flange groove. Fill motor cavity with grease 70% ball. Coat flex spline inner wall evenly with grease. Install the reducer. After alignment, secure the reducer to the flange plate with the specified screws. Use a hex key to tighten the screw slightly. Install the limiting plate on the wave generator and tighten the screws. Screw in the screw and lock it in place. Align the long axis of the wave generator with the long axis of the harmonic reducer's flex spline, then gently push it along the motor shaft and secure it with screws. Screw everything tight first, then run the motor at about 100 revs and switch it on. Use a torque wrench to tighten the motor to flange screws in a crisscross pattern. Same goes for the flange to gearbox screws. Install the O-ring into the loading arm groove. Apply grease to the surface of the wave generator. Install the load arm on the reducer. Tighten the screws connecting the reducer to the loading arm in a crisscross pattern using a torque wrench.